Hey everybody, Mark from the Geek Church here, and today we got a NEEWER product right here, and we're going to be opening up and reviewing it right after this. Okay, first of all, I'm going to address a few things. NEEWER has helped me out immensely here. I've been using a new ring light that included this thing to help with my video, and I'm even using their new microphone. And yeah, so honestly, they're making my videos look way more professional than they did before. And maybe you can compare and contrast with some of my past videos if you like. I'm also going to address something that I did when I reviewed this. I talked about the election and it did not go like I planned it. Maybe I shouldn't explain that anymore because maybe you are watching this video so you can escape hearing that kind of news. And I understand, but today I had a job to do, so I got up today and I was determined to do it, and I want to see what we have here. Okay, so enough of that. What is it that we have here? Well, first of all, I don't know if you know this, but usually when a company sends something to me, they tell me what it is and then they send it, but sometimes they might send me a product that's like it, or it is different than it. So I want to make sure this is the exact product before I start naming off specs that I'm viewing online at this time. So actually, this is kind of, normally I do an unboxing. It came in a box, and this is pretty much the thing for sure. So this is more of an unzipping. I'll go ahead and take off this thing, and then we'll get to the unzipping. And I believe from there, we'll know exactly what we're looking at. So what is it that we're looking at? According to this is a... Oh, this is just the stuff for the app. Okay, that's what I was going for. This is an RGB light wand. Yes. Okay, so you might be asking yourself, what is an RGB light wand? Let's find out. Okay, first of all, let's see what we even have here. So one of the things I like about NEEWER is they've been helping my videos look in a better quality by providing better lighting, better audio. And you might notice that lately I've been looking at my videos and I see this huge reflection of the ring in my glasses. And so I decided to change my point of view and alter the ring light to see if I can get some better results. So, do I have them? Leave a comment. Okay, now according to this, what I thought I was getting was a pair of these RGB lights, but I might just be getting one. So let's just start by just plucking out what is in here that we see so far. Okay, I see a power cord. All right, that's got to be what this thing is. It looks like this is the brick part of it. I imagine the part that plugs in the wall is right here, and it is. So what else do we got here? Another cord. So are we getting two? Well, let's see. There's some foam in here. I'll just get to it. Oh, hello. It just lifts right out. How nice. Okay. Okay, and in here are two boxes with a light stand and another light stand. So at least that's what it says on the box here. So where are the ring lights? Well, if I'm not mistaken, this would be it. And yeah, cute lightsaber effect here. Oh my gosh, these are awesome looking. I don't really know what they do yet, but I'm gonna, because shoot, man, this looks awesome here. Okay, I'm gonna talk about things. Of course, this is gonna be one of those reviews that's gonna require a very complex setup and possibly a complex shooting after that, just so we can get to what it actually looks like and then really show off what it does. But I always wanna highlight the setup and how easy it is. Okay, so for a few seconds I was contemplating how I wanna do this, and here's how I think I want to do this. I'm going to start by just setting up one, and if I can do one, then I think I can just follow the same instructions and do the other. Alright, I've got these things here, which I'm going to have to cut open. Okay, so basically this is a light stand, and I'm assuming this is going to work like the stand on my ring light. You can check out that ring light review if you want, because it's really cool, and I might have made the wrong cut here. It looks like I kind of did. Didn't really expect that. Okay. All right. Anyway, so we got this thing. A tripod of some type. A very nice looking tripod. Okay. All right, let's see. Okay, I want to make sure this gets in the shot as best as I can. Oh, hey, that actually worked out pretty well. That's strange. I think this is about as low as it goes. And, actually, hang on. This can actually, oh yeah, this is one of those that's like umbrellas like this. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that I might have a hard time getting in the shot a bit more. However, what I really want to do is basically just show it, well, standing up. So let's see, is that in the shot here? Kinda. Okay, yeah, I've got a lot of cords down here, so finding a level spot on here is a bit more difficult than I thought it was going to be. Hang on. Okay, so there's something I can screw in here to basically make sure it works fine. And then on here we have, this is probably where this screws in here. And does it? Well, I don't really know, but we're gonna check this out. I think I got a good POV on my camera, which is what I'm concerned about. So yeah, so let's see what we got. Okay, how does this fit in here? Hey, not bad. Okay. That's a pretty good stand. Kind of feel like, you know what? Maybe I'm gonna put the cap on here anyway. Oh, by the way, this is adjustable, isn't it? I should probably see about adjusting it. Let's see. Yeah. All right, that might be a bit too high for the camera here, but I like where this is going. And then we have another, yep, we do. Okay, so we've got like 3 levels of adjusting. Not bad. Okay, so what I thought this would do is just stick on and then click into place, but there's not really any clicking. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tighten this up here. And, well, that's tight, that ain't gonna fall off. So you might notice this thing here, which is something that can adjust the angle of it, which I believe this thing is meant to do. This is a good thing to put in, to get something in focus with a certain color, perhaps. I believe that's what this is for. Not too dissimilar from the photo box. You might remember when I did that review. Okay, so the best thing I could do was I put in the cord here, and now time to plug her in. See what happens. Nothing yet. Let's check it out. Okay, there's got to be like an on switch or something like here. So this is where it's going to get a little bit tricky. Okay, there's a power switch right here. I'm just going to hit it. See what happens. Okay, so you can see that now. In fact, you can see it like really well. Shoot, if I really wanted to do this. Okay, something you can't see is really the contours of this. Perhaps I could do a little adjusting. What's that? Okay, you can see I'm altering the light in many ways just by hitting this thing. Now, if I'm right here, and sometimes I am, this thing does many different types of colors. But how does it do that? Well, we're about to find out, aren't we? In fact, okay, so here's what I'm thinking. I think there's an app that you can use with this thing. And so all I have to do is just download it, and maybe this is where the color starts beginning. Okay, as you can probably tell, a lot's happened since my last cut. I went and assembled the next light, and I also downloaded the app. And I discovered it can do some interesting things, like not bad at all. But what else is this capable of? Let's figure this out. Okay, I discovered that by opening the lights, I've noticed a few things I can take control of in the app. Sorry about the lighting on this. Maybe I should just turn, actually I really want to demonstrate this. Okay, first of all, I can adjust the brightness. Can you tell which one I'm adjusting the brightness for? Of course you can. I can also adjust the color temperature. Okay, that one might be a little less obvious, but I can do it remotely using the app, which I like. So, and I can also do this. Which is the GM. Not really sure what that is, but hey, what else can I do? Oh, there's also the light source, which I can adjust. What I really want to do is, okay. There's an interesting thing here called source match, and it's asking me to basically use, that's strange. It's basically asking if I want to adjust a match or something. I have no idea what this is. Okay, I am really confused here. Okay, I'm going back. All right, oh, I went too far back. Okay, so there's a lot of interesting functions here that I don't really know how to do. Okay, this is what I really wanted to get into, color. Now I notice when I push a certain button on here, this changed the color right away here. But now I can take full, okay, yeah, I'll put it in that mode. Okay, I can take full range of the color here. Look at this. See that? Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so I could go to greens, I could go turquoise, and I could go orange, or yellow, or red, and then I can adjust the brightness from there. So, then there's like an RGB mode, which I'm assuming adjusts the red, green, and blue. Let's go full blue here, and see what we get. Now we're getting some purpley. I like the purpley, that's nice. Wow. Okay, and oh yeah, shoot. And while I'm at it, I can adjust it on the other one too. So let's do that. Hey, purple rain, purple rain. Okay, sorry, that was the first thing that came to my head. I'm not really, This is one of those things that it's like, wow. I mean, I'm not sure how to use this color and stuff like that. All I know is that, dang, it is awesome, isn't it? It is very awesome. Okay, this can be purchased on the NEEWER site for about $189.99. And I gotta admit, it's kind of awesome, isn't it? Let's see. I've actually kind of forgotten which one is which. The way this thing recognized this thing is kind of odd, but it does work here. I could use all sorts of things. Oh, wow. I'm getting all kinds of interesting vibes out of this. Color is everything, isn't it? Anyway, hey, join me next time, and I'm gonna do something with, I think it's like a green screen setup, and I have no idea how I'm gonna do that. But it should be an exciting adventure when I can get to that and how I can get that to work. I'm slightly worried, but here's the thing about NEEWER. NEEWER is there for when you want to make more professional quality videos. Right now this looks anything but professional, but here, let me just do something here. Alright, okay. Anyway, basically, if you're trying to be more professional, NEEWER is the way to go, and hey, I'm really having a lot of fun with this, and if you want to be a content creator like me, maybe you should go this direction too. After all, they gave me this, they gave me the ring light, and all this microphone. I'm not saying they're going to give this to you. You're going to have to buy it and stuff like that, and I've given you the prices. So you got the tools that it takes to succeed. Anyway, this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, and I'm signing off.